Today's featured car of the day is a 1974 Ford XB Falcon 500 GS panel van, which says a lot about it. Calling it a car because it's technically not an SUV, not in U.S. standards anyway, but I think they call them utes down there in Australia where it was made. And this one, somebody spent a lot of time and money restoring it and did a real nice job. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and it was right-hand drive like they are down in Australia, and they made them down there from 1973 through 1976, and don't really know much more about them except that this one I guess has the GS hood on it. It doesn't have the striping, but looks similar to a Mustang Mach 1 hood from the same time frame. And it was a good looker with the candy apple red paint and the nice wheels on it. Not sure exactly what engine it had in it because the owner was nowhere to be found. So I just kind of did what I could filming it and take some pictures of it while I was there before the crowd show up around it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1973 Ford XB Falcon 500 GS panel van. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.